scientists have finally uncovered the truth about what we see before we die. In the hallowed halls of research institutions worldwide, a dedicated team of researchers have been tirelessly working to unravel this mystery. Their study, a fascinating blend of neuroscience, psychology, and the esoteric, has finally borne fruit. They have delved deep into the human mind, explored the realms of consciousness, and navigated the enigmatic pathway of perception. The journey to this groundbreaking discovery was not an easy one, but the relentless pursuit of truth by our daring scientists made it possible. The path to discovery were filled with trials, tribulations, and moments of triumphs. Unraveling the mystery of what one sees before they die was no easy task. For many, this journey began as a spark of interest, a question that began an answer. For others, it was a deeply personal pursuit, fueled by experiences and encounter that left indelible mark on their minds and heart. The journey was marked by countless hours spent in laboratories poring over data, testing hypotheses, and challenging the status quo. There were moments of frustration and doubts when the answers seemed elusive and the path ahead uncertain. But the scientists pressed on, driven by the possibility of discovery and the potential to expand our understanding of life and death. Setbacks were part and parcel of this journey. Failed experiment, inconclusive results, and unexpected outcomes often force the scientists to re-evaluate their approaches, refine their methods, and rethink their theories. This journey was not just about the destination but also about the process. It was about the thrill of discovery, the joy of learning, and the satisfaction of knowing that their work could potentially change the course of science and human understanding. There were moments of triumphs too, breakthroughs that brought them closer to the answer, insight that shed new light on their work, and milestones that marked significant progress in their journey. These moments kept them going, providing the motivation and momentum to continue their quest. Their tireless work and relentless dedication have led to a discovery that has the potential to change how we perceive life and death. The moment of revelation came when the scientists finally uncovered the truth about what we see before we die. The finding was truly fascinating. It was discovered that we approach the end of life. Our brain activity surges, resulting in a flurry of vivid and intense imagery. This could be the source of the so-called life flashing before your eyes phenomenon that many near-death experiences describe. The implications of this discovery are profound. It changes our understanding of the brain's activity at the brink of death and open up new avenues of research. It could potentially help us comprehend the enigma of consciousness and its relation to our physical existence. Moreover, this discovery could impact our approach toward end-of-life care. By understanding these final moments, we can potentially provide more compassionate and knowledgeable support to those who are at the end of their life journey. The revelation has sent ripples across the world, sparking a wave of discussions and debates. Scientists, philosophers, and curious minds alike are engaging in deep deliberation, exchanging ideas, and contemplating the implications of this groundbreaking discovery. Feel free to join the conversation and share your thoughts on this discovery in the comment section below. Remember, your perspective matters and could potentially shed new light on this fascinating subject.